Good morning, students. Today we will start a new topic, active to passive. I have already told you previously, it's only a revision class. So see here, I have written here a sentence: Ram kicks football. It is in present indefinite tense. How I can say it is in present indefinite tense? The first form of verb is used here, singular form, kicks. Because Ram is in singular form, so I have used here singular form of the verb. I have to change it into passive voice. So what I have to do? I have to interchange the position of football is the object and Ram is the subject. Just interchange their position. So I have made the change. I put football in the subject place and Ram into the object place. Before Ram I have written by here. Third form of verb is used in every passive voice sentence. Passive voice has 8 type of tenses. So all 8 type of tenses require third form of the verb. So we must know the third form of every verb to make passive voice. So see, football is kicked by Ram. Is the helping verb here used. So both the sentence Ram kicks football is present indefinite. Football is kicked by Ram is also a present indefinite sentence. But it is in passive voice, not in active voice. If I will write in active voice, I will write in this way. And if I will write in passive form, I will write this way. So in passive voice, helping verb must be there. Any of the helping verb must be there. Anyone. But it will be there. Without helping verb, there is no passive voice. It will become wrong. See the next sentence. You did not help me. As we know, it's a past indefinite sentence. It's a past indefinite sentence. How I know that it's a past indefinite sentence? By seeing the helping verb did. Did always used in past indefinite. So you did not help me. First form of the verb. So the rule says that change their position. This is the object. This is the subject. And subjects and objects are both in pronoun, not as noun here. Noun. Both are noun. Ram is noun, football is noun. So no change, only the position will change. But here we will not keep it exact at the same place in the same form. No. See the table I have shown here. If subject place I, if subject place we, if subject place you. But if the word changes its place, it will become me here. If I will go to object place, it will become me, not I. If we will go to object place, it will become us. So when us changes to subject place, it becomes we. So I have written here I. Why? Me is changed into I because it changes its position. It comes to a subject place. So it will not remain as me here. So I have written I. I was not helped by you. You becomes, you remains same as I have written in the table. You will not change. So I was not helped by you. Helped, the third form of the verb, as I told you. Every passive voice sentence needs third form of the verb. Here the third form of the verb. So see, I was not helped by. The sentence is negative, so it will remain negative. It will remain negative. Was is the helping verb, as I have told you. Without helping verb, there is no passive form. Passive voice sentence. Passive voice sentence needs compulsory the helping verb. So see, I was not helped by you. It's also a past indefinite sentence. The voice is changed. The voice is in passive form. It's in active form. If I will write the sentence in active form, I will write in this way. If I will write passive voice sentence, I will write in this way. So After seeing all this, you people will better understood. Thank you.